Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 16. Solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now, 4 power x appears in two places, so I can factor out 4 power x. 4 power x times this divided 4 power x, I have 1. Plus 4 power x divided 4 power x again, I have 1. This equals 16. So from here, I have 4 power x times 1 plus 1. That is 2, and this equals 16. So, what I'm going to do will be to divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. And this cancels this. 4 power x equals 16 divided by 2. So right now, 4 power x equals 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, I will take log of 4 power x and also take log of 8. Now, when you have log a power p, this equals p times log a. So this is x times log 4 equals log 8. So from here, I can isolate x. Have x equals log 8 divided by log 4. Remember, we divide all through by log 4. So log 4 cancel log 4, then we have log 8 divided by log 4. So from here, I can have log 8 equals log 4 times 2 divided by log 4. And if you have log 8 times b equals log a plus log b. Find that here. Fx equals log 4 plus log 2 divided by log 4. So from here, I can have x equals log 4 is 2 power 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2 power 2. Now, remember, if you have log a power p equals p times log a, of x equals this is 2 times log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 times log 2. So from here, of x equals 2 log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2. So from here, this cancel this. Of x equals this is 1 plus this cancel this, we have 1 over 2. So from here we have x equals this is over 1. LCM is 2, 2 divides 1, 2 times 1, 2 plus 2 divides to 1, 1 times 1 we have 1. This equals 3 over 2, which is the same thing as 1.5. This is our answer using this particular method. I can also decide to solve this using a different method. For instance, I have 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 16. 4 is 2 power 2 or power x plus 2 power 2 or power x equals 16. Multiply the exponents. you have 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power 2x equals 16. I factor out 2 to the power 2x. This divide this, I have 1 plus this divide this, I have 1 equals 16. 1 plus 1 is 2. I have 2 to the power 2x times 2 equals 16. I divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. Let's divide this. Half to the power 2x equals 16 divided by 2, that is 8. I express this as 2 power 3. 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals to power 3. To power 2x equals to power 3. A power y equals a power z. That means y equals z. So we have 2 power x, 2x equals 3. You can solve for x. Is divided by 2. Is divided by 2. This cancel this. Have x equals 3 over 2. Which is the same thing as 1.5. So we still have the same answer, but in a more faster way. So guys, this is how you can solve it. You can verify. For power x plus 4 power x equals 16. And my x equals 3 over 2. I substitute this for x. I have 4 power 3 over 2 plus 4 power 3 over 2 equals 16. 4 is 2 power 2. I have 2 power 2 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 2 power 2 to the power of 3 over 2 equals 16. I multiply this out. I multiply this out 2 times 3 by 6. I have 2 power 6 over 2 plus 2 power. This is 6 over 2 equals 16. So from here, this is 3. This is 3. So I have 2 power 3 plus 2 power 3 equals 16. 2 power 3 here, that is 2 times 2 times 2. This is 8 plus 8 equals 16, and this is 16 equals 16. This is proven to be correct. So that is it.